All right, guys, we're here today with
Gabe Cruz. What's going on, guys?
Gabriel Horacio Iglesias, and he has this brand new, fresh skateboard.
Oh, yeah.
And we thought, you know what we do today? We take it back old school, and we do an old school board setup. The only thing that'd make this better is if you had it in a box with a note.
I know. I just opened my box a few days ago, but this is called the Shark Burger.
The Shark Burger.
It's my favorite board I've seen in a really long time.
It is actually so good.
I figured we're at a new, nice skate park, smooth concrete. Let's get the smooth setup going on, and then we'll land some smooth tricks. I assume.
You assumed correctly. So you got the Shark Burger, you got the nano cubic wheels.
Yep. I believe these are Thunder mids.
Yeah.
I typically like Thunder lows, but I don't think they make them anymore.
Really?
Yeah, not that I've seen. They might make them, but in like a color.
Why do you like the low?
Because I learned on lows.
Yeah.
And then I remember when we were filming one of the very early Crazy Skate Coach episodes with Lance.
Yeah.
I think it was in San Francisco at the basketball court or something like
Yeah.
that near his house. I skated highs for the first time and completely lost like all of my tricks. Like landing like a fakie flip was very difficult for me. So I immediately just trashed the new trucks and went back to my old ones with like some new, what is it, like bushings and risers and stuff like that.
Yeah, there is definitely something to be said about what you learned on. See, I learned on a 775, and now people are like, Aaron, 775? What is wrong with you? And I tried to go to an 8, and I lost all my tricks.
Yeah,
now I'm back to 775.
It does make a huge difference. Like it's just the muscle memory and the weight, I feel like, is just weird. But then I feel like what people don't really think about when they're skating trucks is like when you have a low set of trucks and then go to a high, the difference is damn near like a quarter inch, so it feels like.
Yeah, I have no idea. This would be an interesting video to make. I should just get an actual measurement on low versus high. Exact same wheel size, low trucks, high trucks, and see, because I actually have no idea.
Because then you just get used to how much you have to pop to get the tail on the ground and get that snap.
Yeah, it's
true.
true.
And then you go to higher trucks and you have to bring it down a little bit more to get that pop. So for me, it was just hard. Like the tray flip was the hardest thing. Like my tray flips disappeared.
Really?
Yeah.
Because there was too much. I guess the science behind it is like there's more lift there, so you're like
exactly. Like there was a fine balance between my pop and my scoop before, and then I had to learn how to like pop it more.
Yeah.
Which was hard for me. So that's why I skate lows, but then they stopped making them, and then the hollow, it was the Thunder Hollow Lights lows, and they had like the Grenade logo on them in a super fine white line, and I'll remember those trucks for the rest of my life. Gosh, they're the best trucks.
That's the other thing. You get a good pair of trucks, you could lose your board, you could lose your wheels, but you never want to lose your trucks.
Yeah, no, that hurts.
You wear in those trucks like, oh, my board got stolen. Dang, I wish I could get back the trucks.
Exactly. Oh yeah, and then freaking New York. Remember my board got swiped in New York?
Yes.
We went to the meet and greet like day 1, day 2, right? And then my board is literally right behind me, and then someone snatches my board. And then, didn't we find it?
Whoever is out there in New York that has Gabe's board, well done.
Hey, it went to hopefully a good cause, but I'm pretty sure someone sent me a picture with my board. They DM'd me while I was in New York a few days later, like, hey, I think I saw this guy with your board. And I was like, bro, get it for me, please.
It was a ransom note.
Yeah, it was. Like,
show up at midnight with $100,000 and you can get your trucks back.
And then another funny story about truck mishaps too is we went to that skate shop where we did the John Hill challenge.
Yeah.
I got new trucks, set up a whole new board, and then went to that Tribeca skate park, tried to do a little warm-up frontside 180 up a step-up gap, and I died. And I was like, yep, I'm getting rid of these trucks too.
Shout out Tribeca skate park.
It's a beautiful park.
I miss New York.
Me too. Used to the drill on these bad boys.
I know.
That's why these videos were so long, because we actually had to do it the old-fashioned way.
Yeah. So what do we do? Best comment wins this board.
Yeah? Give me a good comment. Let's see.
Let's see it, guys.
See. I'll go through. I'm gonna pick my favorite one. No bias. I just want to see the best comment. If it makes me laugh, then there's a high chance you will win. And then you guys can win this. I'll sign it before we send it over there as well.
This is the Doug Desautel's model, right? Isn't it? The blue camo? Okay, I can't remember who, but I'm pretty sure it's Doug. Regardless, shout out Doug.
Exactly. All right, let's get that. Love that top color.
Yeah, what's your favorite top color?
My favorite top color is, it's kind of like not dark blue, but like that light kind of teal color.
Okay.
That's my favorite.
Really?
And then red
That's
is
very
second.
specific. Oh, really?
Yeah.
You rock a red.
I will rock the red.
So you don't believe in this
No, I think it's ridiculous.
old wives' tale.
But you know what color is my my superstition is yellow. Yeah, the yellow top ply is my equivalent to a red.
Really? See, it's funny. I kind of like the colored. This one I got the little bluish purple though, and I was like, okay, I like this.
Yeah, that's
I like the way this is looking. But if you have the black and the contrast with the yellow, I also like that too. But I can't do the red now. I'm not like superstitious like that, but now that everybody said, see, the thing with the rumor about the red ply, red top, is that you get injured.
Yeah.
So they're like, if you have a red top, you'll get injured. And I don't know. I've had enough injuries. Oh yeah, boy.
There's a little air bubble in there, but we're gonna leave that for the vibes.
Yeah. Yesterday was my first day pushing around on a skateboard. I did an ollie. I actually did a frontside 180 too.
How'd it feel?
It felt, you know, it's a little scary.
Yeah.
Definitely scary. And then I was thinking, should I challenge Gabe Cruz to a game of skate today?
I will smoke you.
I know, you definitely will. I'm pretty sure I cannot kickflip, but I could do a bunch of 180 shove-it variations too.
That's all you really need against me.
And right when you got a new board.
What's tough is doing the kickflip challenge after not having done a kickflip in like 2 months.
Yeah, it's true. Well, I haven't done a kickflip in over 5 months.
For that blade, that was not that bad.
That's looking good.
Oh, that's looking terrible. Oh my gosh.
Just give it a little
Yeah,
something.
give it a little.
Give it a little something clean up on the edges there.
I got the random urge to make like not a new video part, but just like a edit of like all my best tricks.
Yeah.
And then I had to clean the kitchen, so I got a little sidetracked. But I think I'm gonna work on that.
Yeah, 100% you should.
Cause I'm sorry, landed some good tricks, man.
Yeah, you definitely have. The backside 360 kickflip over the hip is my favorite one though.
That was good.
It's legendary.
I like the fakie big heel, the backside one
Yeah.
over the hip was really good. Backside triple flips, can't beat those.
Yeah.
That half cap flip manual I did was really good. And
Yeah.
the varial flip manual. Wait, did I do half cap flip manual? I did, I think.
And these guys over here got RC planes. They got a whole trailer and they're just like, you know what we're gonna do today? You know what I just realized just now? This is a little miniature
It's a runway.
runway.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
It's been here this whole time. I see it on Apple Maps, but you never really see anyone because I'd always be here during the week.
And they come out here and they're like, you know what? We got a flight runway right here. RC airplane.
Colored hardware needs to go in the front right corner because that's where my kickflips go.
Just the one. Singular colored hardware.
I feel like I had another one somewhere. Is that a purple one? Oh,
Yeah.
wait, is there a purple one?
Here we go.
There it is. I was wondering where that went.
Now you got two in the front.
There you go.
Purple and a teal.
It's got to be diagonal.
Every time I come to this park, there's literally nobody here. So I rolled up today and there was like 5 or 6 people. I was like, wow.
It's nice seeing people at a skate park.
I know. It's been a while. Come on, skaters. You got to get out to the skate park and have some fun.
People out here don't play around though. If it's hot, they will just hibernate.
Yeah.
What's your favorite trick you've ever landed, Aaron?
Manual, tray flip manual.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I'm ever gonna beat that, but you know, we can try. Yeah, no, when my foot heals up, I thought about filming a video part too. Just go for it, you know?
Shit.
Did you see NKA's video part?
I did, yeah.
This inspired me, so rad. He's just like, I'm gonna film a video part.
Yeah, he did it with his phone too, for the most part, right?
Yeah, and I think he literally just took his phone out by himself and just set it up and just filmed himself doing tricks.
Yeah, because it films in 4K, you can just crop in and make it look like it filmed anyways.
Yeah.
Add a little artificial camera shake and you're good.
Artificial camera shake.
Come on now.
For real?
Yeah, put it in After Effects and put a little wiggle animation on it and you're good.
I gotta learn how to edit better. It's been a while since I edited.
What is my favorite trick you've ever done? I gotta really think about that because you've done a lot of tricks over the years.
Yeah, you know what one I did, the other one that I liked that never even got seen, I gotta find this footage myself, is the fakie big double flip manual.
That didn't go up anywhere?
No, never.
That was at San Jose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Saving it for the video part. I actually do have some
Yeah,
clips
you
for
got
the video
clips.
part, I guess. So I should hang on to them.
you know what I saw the other day was when you were doing that board slide in San Jose and you died because
Yeah.
you ate the hot peppers the night before?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that.
I ate the hot peppers, I died in my mouth. Then the next morning I died in the back end.
I mean, twice,
Yeah,
technically.
twice. I was like on the toilet going, ah! This is the worst thing I've ever done, never again. And then we went skating, of course. And I tried this board slide. And halfway up, I just shoot out and just straight died. And then I just sat there by the dumpster like, well, I am a total failure.
Oh, I got terrified that I put a truck on backwards and I was like, how poser can you get? But we're good.
We're good. We got the trucks on straight and you got the front truck on the front and the back truck.
All right. That's pretty.
That is fire looking.
I mean, the way the trucks go with the color, it kind of blends into the front, but then the contrast from the back too.
Yeah. This
I
is
love that.
just like us when we went shark diving.
Yeah.
Could have been right there.
Literally, honestly, maybe someone should have brought a burger.
That's
Maybe
true.
I should have taken some Dramamine and not relied on that little band, so when I took it off, I didn't die. You know, if there were actually sharks, I would have forced myself in.
Completely.
But we were halfway done, and yes, it's gonna come off like excuses, I understand. But if you're feeling like crap, and you can't even get the suit on, and then half the people have already gone, and they're like, yeah, we can't see anything down there. It's like, you know, it's kinda...
If we'd have seen sharks, I'd have just been swimming outside the cage like this. Come and get me.
I just jumped in, but oh, so I gotta kickflip this thing, and if I miss the kickflip, I gotta just trash the board, right?
Yeah. Explode it.
Oh man. All right, hold up now.
No warm up, nothing? Not even, oh yeah, there we go. Get those hammies.
Apparently
Speak
a
to
lot
me.
of people can't do this, like can't squat like this. Oh, I heard them. I heard some pops.
Yeah, old man gang. Get the over 40 club here.
That's what I feel like. Actually, I feel a lot better. There you go, AK. Oh. See, this is what I was saying about the response.
Yeah. Yeah, see, you got the freshie now. You're getting the good tricks today.
I honestly might land this first tee.
Just make sure you're on that tail.
Yeah.
Making me nervous. Yeah.
All right, what are the odds? Give me the over/under on me landing this.
3%.
3%? Derek?
Percentage of you landing it?
Yeah.
30.
30?
30.
All right. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's like it's literally
good.
30%.
30's good.
It was uphill.
Get to where it's flat. Maybe get up there.
It's nowhere as flat is the issue.
It's true. It's true. I was trying to get my shadow out of the way because I knew what he said. Your shadow messed me up.
You know what? That's exactly what it was.
It's true. Oh boy.
Whoa, the double flips.
There it is.
I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling really good about that one. Then I bent down and all I thought about was landing primo and going into that bowl.
Yeah, you gotta watch out here. It's dangerous.
Well, if Derek put my odds at 30% and I landed in 3 tries, and technically that's 1 in 3, and that's about right.
Yeah, you nailed it.
Wait! Oh.
That was perfect.
No, I know it was. I thought I saw a chip and I was like, there's no way I chipped it. All right,
First
that doesn't
try,
count.
This guy. Yes,
This
sir.
corner.
Yes, sir.
This corner.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me do one more.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for that.
Yeah,
I'm
there's
saying,
just
get
a lot
out
of
here.
There's a lot
You
of
got
danger.
The dead on the side, the dead in the front. Yes.
No, it does feel
He
really
wants to
nice
clean
though.
it up. He wants to clean it up above that. All right, let's go get him. Let's go get this guy.
Honestly, that would be a really funny idea. Aaron versus Gabe both haven't skated in 3 and 5 months respectively.
Yeah, game of skate.
Yeah, I'd be down. That'd be funny.
There it is.
Okay, that's fine. Usually I get really upset when I miss a first kickflip, but not today. Did I leave you hanging? Sorry. All right. Man, well, I love the board setup videos. Those, I mean, back in the day, I don't know if Derek will admit it, but I did a Carlsbad setup, or back old spot.
Yeah.
Derek watched that
It's my
video.
favorite Braille video.
It's his favorite
I
Braille
know.
video.
I know.
told you that.
Hey, he has the board.
He did
I gave
tell
him the
me
board. Back like when we first started working together, and then every once in a while he'll send me a picture of it.
You really?
He will.
Of the board.
Yeah, I just
then-
sent him the other day a video of it and me singing that song.
All right.
best.
Well, we're gonna get some good videos in today. We're feeling good. I'm gonna beat Aaron in a game of skate real quick because I will take advantage of this injured man
It's
to
very
get
likely.
my win.
It's very likely.
And we'll leave it at that. Remember what we said. Those good comments make me laugh. We'll pick the best one, and you guys will win that old board that I used to skate. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in the next video.